English now. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most important verbs in English, the verb to be. If you are a beginner, this class is perfect for you. And at the end, I'll give you some exercises so you can practice. The verb to be means to exist, to be or to be in a place, state. It changes depending on the subject. I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are. Let's practice. I am a girl. You are a boy.
He is a boy. She is a girl. It is a dog. It is a door.
We are friends. They are friends. To make the verb to be negative, we add not.
Negative form and negative contraction form. I am not, you are not, you aren't. He is not, he isn't. She is not, she isn't. It is not, it isn't. We are not, we aren't. They are not, they aren't.